For this video, you are going to learn how to convert fraction to decimal, decimal to percent, and how to convert percent to decimal. So let's start with converting fraction to a decimal. So you will need to divide. So we learned this one on Monday. This is going to be a quick review. A fraction is the division problem waiting to happen. Top number of a fraction or part of the whole will be numerator. Bottom number of a fraction or the whole will be called denominator. Okay, to convert a fraction into a decimal, you will divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, to divide a bigger number into a smaller number, you will add a 0 behind the whole number and then add the decimal to divide. So for example, we're gonna convert 2/5 into a decimal. We're gonna divide them. So make a bracket. The top number go inside the bracket, the bottom outside. So top in, bottom out. I always remind myself that. So 2 cannot divide by 5, right? I put a 0. Then I need to borrow 0 so I can divide. When I borrow 0, I'll return my decimal. Now, how many times that 5 go into 20? 4. 4 times 5, 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So 2/5 means 0.4. Think about if you can think about your finger as well, remember 1/5 means 20%, 2/5 means 40%, 0.4. Number 2. You're gonna convert 2 and 7, 9, mixed number. So 2 is a whole number. So think about, you will have 2 point something. So then you're gonna divide 7 over 9 to see what is the decimal. 7 is smaller than 9, you cannot divide. You're gonna borrow 0. So you can start to divide. So 70 divided by 9, how many times that 9 go into 70? 8 times 9 is 72. So 7 is good because 7 times 9 is 63. So 70 minus 63 give me another 7. Whoops, seems like you're gonna have a repeating decimal. Because you borrow 0, 70 divided by 9, you're gonna have another 7. So 7 times 9 is 63. Yes, it will be 2.7 with a repeating decimal bar on top. Number 3, you're gonna convert 5 over 12 into a decimal. 5 inside, 12 outside, top in, bottom out. Can 5 divide 12? No. I need to borrow 0, return a decimal point right away. So how many times that 12 go into 50? 4. Because 4 times 12 is 48. 50 subtract to 48 give me 2. Borrow 0, 20 divided by 12. How many times that 12 go into 20? Just 1. Because 2 times 20 is 12, 2 times 12 is 24. So 1 times 12 is 12. Put down the 8. 8, borrow 0. 80 divided by 12 is how many times? 6 times. 6 times 12 is 72. Oop, you're gonna see a repeating decimal. So 5/12 will be 0.416666. Next, you will learn how to convert decimal to percent. Move the decimal 2 places to the right. Okay? Think about, for percent to decimal, you're gonna turn it to the left. So which one turn right and which one turn left? Okay, think about this. You usually write a percent bar, the percent symbol at behind a number. For example, you have 60%. So the percent symbol right behind a number. So behind mean is on the right side of a number, right? So think about you're gonna move to the right. So think about you're gonna have the percent bar, the percent symbol on the right side number, so you move it to the right. So now you have 42%. Same thing for number 2. So you move the decimal to the right because you write the percent symbol on the right side. So 1, 2, so we have 301%. Okay? Number 3, move 2 places, just 2. 1, 2. So we have 2.4%. Move the decimal. Okay, now you move the decimal 2 places to the left, so you can convert percent to a decimal. So if we have 3%, okay, move 2 places to the left, 1, 2. Make sure you fill in the 0. So for 3%, you will have 0.03. 87%, 1, 2. 0.87. 12.5%, 1, 2. So 0.125.